Howdy everybody, this is Steve KM9G, and today I'm going to do my first Summits on the Air exposure hike expedition. That's the word I was looking for. Expedition. Dan AI6XG and Shane KD9NJJ are going to be joining me on this SOTA today. We're over at Rice Lake, but I wanted to show you what the loadout was for today. I'm not a normal SOTA guy. I packed up a small light kit, as small as I could get, to do what I wanted to do. I know there's still some more weight I can shave off of this, but it's what I have, and that's the important part, is get out and do what you can with what you have and make improvements as you go along. Let's take a look. Okay, so I've got some really important stuff here. First off, I have to get some smart water because I need to keep up with Shane and Dan because they're a lot smarter than I am. And then I have this backpack here, and this is kind of a mini backpack. I mean, here's the size of my hand. There's the size of the backpack. So pause the video now and guess what radio is inside here. I'm sure that you haven't seen it before on the channel. There's a little bit of a hint for you. I have the 10-meter expedition pole from DX Commander. Overkill, like I mentioned in the intro, but it's the pole that I have, and it's the smallest one that I have for this kind of trip. I have the Abri antenna. I actually got one of these and gave it away to Beer Snack a long time ago, and now I had to go get another one. So this will get me on 2 meters and do some 2-meter work, and it folds up, and I'm going to try it out. I'm going to get some more information on it. I don't know if it's any good or not at this point, but this is as good a place as any to take an antenna like this. Let's see, the top pouch here, I have my 3 amp hour Bio-NO battery, 36 watt hours, and this is the backup battery. And then in the lower pouch here, I have absolutely nothing. And then I have a pouch here in front where I have the backup to the backup battery. This is a nickel metal hydride battery pack, 9.6 volts, 1.9 amp hours, 18 watt hours. So this will actually fit inside of the radio inside, and now there's another clue as to what radio I've got going on in there. One more thing I have is an adapter, and this will get me my antenna connection for HF. Let's get inside the big pouch here. All right, inside the big pouch, I have the QRP Guys tri-band vertical antenna. This one we did a build together with Smokin' Ape and Kyle and Sterling, and this is good for 20, 30, and 40. This also has 4 radials associated with it, and it is a vertical antenna, which is why I brought the DX Commander pole. And then yet another clue as to what radio this is, the Yaesu Dynamic Microphone MH31. So now that I've given away everything, you can see the LDG Z817 tuner, and you can see the hints of a Yaesu 818 ND popping out in there. So that's the loadout for today's excursion, and we'll see how well this works out. Kilo Mike 9 Golf QRP.
Victor Echo 3 Yankee Kilo Tango.
Kilo Delta 9 November Juliet Juliet. Kilo Delta 9 November Juliet Juliet.
Kilo Delta 9 November Juliet Juliet. 1280 Mariposa Mike Alpha Radio Papa.
Let's see, is there too much road noise for this? Is it going to be too jittery? Who knows? But we'll try something new anyway. The Yaesu FT818 got the job done. It did the thing. It was fantastic. I was able to get up there. I got the summit activated, 4 contacts in less than 10 minutes. The biggest problem I had was I was really hearing California stations. It was a California QSO party weekend. I was really hearing California stations well, and they were not hearing me so well. But that's what happens when you're up on the mountain, I guess. So 10 out of 10 would do this again. Fantastic company. Shane and Dan were great mentors, and Elmer's for teaching me how to get this stuff done. And we just walked through and made it happen. I did not get a chance to make any contacts on 146.52. However, the ridiculously long Abri antenna did have a fantastic SWR match. The radio didn't complain. There was just nobody out there, which is kind of typical for 5.2 in northwest Wisconsin here. There is a video right over here I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you in the next one.